put the windshield on there and taped it in place, and then touched it with the ultra thin. So I'll let that fully solidify. Another change of my mind, I decided to go with the round base for the C1A Trader. That's the only one where the wings are folded and it's kind of at rest, so to speak. So, and it's the only one technically that is not part of Carrier Air Wing 9. It is actually belongs to the carrier itself and or the fleet. So I thought it was special in that way. And for the helicopter, for a bunch of different reasons, I think it's going to work better there. When it lands like out here, and that blast door is back there. So I wanted to get it like as far forward as possible, so to speak. And then I moved the Enterprise down to the bottom shelf because now I'm looking at the top and starting to think about how I want to arrange things, what's going to be on the deck, off the deck, and the below decks. So that's the update on the display, and so back to the bench. I'm just working my way along on these parts that go along the bottom there. So I've got everything for the sides of the fuselage kind of ready to go. I'm going to start laying that on there along the edge here. I'm gonna wait on that top, the engines in that top, until I have kind of everything that goes all the way around on the fuselage. Then I can set that aside and then finish that, get that on there. That thing has seen its better days, so it's gonna get a new one. All right, there we go. Okay, here's my first test fitting of those doors. God, look at that. It just like slid right in there. Unbelievable. And then that front door, that's how I'm gonna model it, open like that. Because to be honest, that one did not fit like perfectly. But I want to show my figure, that I worked on anyway. So, and then on the other side, that door will be open, similar to that. So again, God, this kit is just so nice. And now I'm working my way along the bottom and getting these pieces. Basically, what I'm doing is trying to get all the plastic pieces on, and then I'll go back because there's actually quite a bit of PE, you see here. But I worry about knocking it off. I mean, every one of them has it. So I'm, like I said, going to get all the plastic pieces and then go back and then place all the PE and then lightly set it aside. Okay, so I believe I have all the plastic parts cut out and cleaned up, except for that, I don't know what it is. It's like a little crane or whatever. I want to leave that because it's kind of delicate, and it has some PE that's going to have to go on it. So then when I get to the PE, I'll construct that and put it on. But I'm going to paint it separately anyway. So now it's Sunday evening. I think it's a good stopping point. So next time, like I said, next will be getting to this engine, bringing that together, and then PE around this. There's also PE that's going to go on that. So like putting all that PE on will be the last thing. Then masking and painting sub-assemblies and or sections, and then bringing it all together. Probably, 2 more episodes. Well, probably 3 with decals or whatever. So, again, God, just an awesome kit. Everything just fits together so perfectly. It's just so fun to not have to scratch build and all that kind of other stuff. So anyway, hope you're enjoying this, and as always, thanks for watching and happy modeling.